Welcome to day 27 of DailyAIWizard, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled guide, and I'm buzzing with excitement. Ready to create art with generative AI and GANs? Today we're diving into AI's creative magic, crafting images and more. This 20-minute journey will blow your mind. You won't want to miss a single second. Let's master generative AI. Isabella, what's sparking your curiosity?
Hi, I'm Isabella and I'm thrilled to explore generative AI. It's about making art with code, and it's mind-blowing. I'm so ready to learn with you, Anastasia. This is going to be epic. Let's unlock creative secrets.
Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm pumped to join you. Generative AI powers stunning creations, and it's pure wizardry. I'm teaming up with Ethan for a Python demo generating synthetic images. It's going to be magical. Stick with us for this art.
Ethan here. GANs are a creative powerhouse, and I'm stoked to code an image generation demo with Sophia. Let's make art magic. This will inspire you. Get ready for AI's creative power.
I'm Olivia, and I'm utterly fascinated by generative AI and GANs. I'll explain how it works on slide 4, and I'm thrilled to join you, Anastasia. This tech is pure creativity. Let's make art magic.
Let's recap day 26's gaming magic. We explored how AI transforms gaming, using Scikit-learn to predict player moves with 85% accuracy. We built a demo and learned applications like NPC behavior. It was play-saving wizardry. I'm so excited for generative AI today. Let's dive into creative art. This is our next big spell.
The move prediction demo was incredible, Anastasia. Seeing AI outsmart players was so inspiring. I'm thrilled to explore AI's creative powers now. This is a new art adventure. Let's keep the AI fire burning.
Today, we're diving into generative AI and GANs, and I'm so thrilled. We'll explore AI's role in creating art, how GANs craft images, tackle ethical challenges, and build a Python demo generating synthetic images. This journey will ignite your creative passion. Let's master art magic. Get ready for AI's creative power. Isabella, why is generative AI exciting?
It's artistic, Anastasia. AI creating images is thrilling and I'm hooked. I'm so ready to learn these techniques. This will redefine creativity. Let's unlock its potential.
Hi, wizards. I'm Olivia, and I'm totally fascinated by generative AI and GANs. It creates new content like images and music using models like GANs and VAEs, fueling creative industries. This is pure art magic. From AI paintings to music, it's unreal. I'm thrilled to break it down. Anastasia, how do GANs make such realistic images?
Great question, Olivia. GANs use a generator and discriminator to craft lifelike images like digital artists. It's like a creative duel. I'm excited to dive deeper with you. This is art's future. Let's explore its magic. Why use generative AI? It boosts creative output, automates content creation, enhances personalization, and drives innovation. It's revolutionizing art. This is vital AI magic. I'm so thrilled to share. Let's see its impact. AI sparks creativity. Isabella, why creative output?
It's inspiring, Anastasia. AI amplifies artists' work, and I love its impact. I'm eager to dive deeper. This is art with flair.
GANs are fascinating. The generator creates fake data, the discriminator evaluates realism, and they train adversarially to produce realistic outputs. It's a creative AI duel. I'm excited to break it down. This is art-making AI in action. Let's craft with GANs. Isabella, why adversarial training?
It's clever, Anastasia. The competition makes GANs sharp, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like an art contest. This ensures realism.
GANs in image generation are stunning. They create realistic images using deep neural networks, like AI-generated faces, enhancing visual content. This is visual art magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's generate images. This transforms visuals. Isabella, why image generation?
It's beautiful, Anastasia. AI crafting faces is amazing, and I'm excited. It's like a digital painter. This boosts creativity.
GANs in game asset creation are game-changing. They generate textures and models, speeding up development like procedural landscapes, enhancing design. This is gaming art magic. I'm so excited to dive in. Let's create assets. This streamlines games. Isabella, why game assets?
They're cool, Anastasia. AI builds game worlds fast, and I'm thrilled. It's like a game sculptor. This saves time.
GANs in music generation are melodic. They compose original music using audio-based GANs, like AI-generated tracks, expanding creative audio. This is musical AI magic. I'm thrilled to share this. Let's compose music. This inspires sound. Isabella, why music generation?
It's harmonious, Anastasia. AI making music is incredible, and I'm excited. It's like a digital composer. This enriches art.
GANs in text-to-image are mind-blowing. They convert text to images using models like DALL-E, creating AI art from prompts, fueling expression. This is imaginative AI magic. I'm so excited to explain. Let's turn text to art. This sparks creativity. Isabella, why text-to-image?
It's magical, Anastasia. AI turning words into art is thrilling, and I'm excited. It's like a story painter. This transforms ideas.
Olivia here, and I'm fascinated by the ethics of generative AI and GANs. Deepfakes, misinformation, and intellectual property issues, like AI-generated fraud, need oversight. This is critical art magic. It's thrilling to ensure AI creates responsibly. I'm excited to dive in. Anastasia, how can AI avoid harmful deepfakes?
Excellent point, Olivia. AI can use watermarking and detection tools to prevent harmful deepfakes, ensuring ethical use. It's like an art guard. I'm thrilled to explore this with you. This keeps creativity safe. Let's make ethical AI. Data privacy is generative AI's shield. It protects user inputs with encryption and anonymization, like GDPR compliance, building trust. This is ethical art magic. I'm so ready to discuss. Let's safeguard data. This respects creators. Isabella, why data privacy?
It's vital, Anastasia. Safe data builds confidence, and I'm thrilled. It's like a digital lock. This ensures trust in AI.
Bias in generative AI is serious. It reflects training data bias, like stereotyped outputs, requiring diverse datasets and ethical mitigation. This ensures fair AI art. I'm so ready to solve it. Let's tackle bias. This promotes equity. Isabella, why bias risks?
They harm art, Anastasia. Biased AI excludes voices, and I'm excited to fix it. It's like ensuring fairness. This makes AI inclusive.
Regulations govern generative AI. They ensure ethical content creation, like copyright laws, building regulatory trust. This keeps AI art magic safe. I'm thrilled to apply them. Let's regulate AI wisely. This protects creators. Isabella, why regulations?
They ensure trust, Anastasia. Regulations keep AI fair, and I'm excited. It's like an art rulebook. This builds confidence.
GANs in video generation are cinematic. They create realistic videos using temporal GANs, like AI short films, expanding media production. This is filmic AI magic. I'm excited to explore it. Let's make videos. This transforms media. Isabella, why video generation?
It's epic, Anastasia. AI crafting films is amazing, and I'm thrilled. It's like a movie director. This boosts storytelling.
GANs in fashion design are stylish. They generate clothing designs using style-based GANs, like AI fashion lines, enhancing creativity. This is fashionable AI magic. I'm thrilled to share it. Let's design fashion. This inspires style. Isabella, why fashion design?
It's chic, Anastasia. AI creating clothes is cool, and I'm excited. It's like a style wizard. This transforms fashion.
GANs in data augmentation are powerful. They generate synthetic data, improving model training, like in medical imaging, enhancing AI performance. This is technical AI magic. I'm so excited to explain. Let's augment data. This boosts models. Isabella, why data augmentation?
It's smart, Anastasia. AI making data is useful, and I'm thrilled. It's like a data booster. This improves AI.
Generative AI applications are real. AI art galleries, synthetic media production, and creative writing aids transform creativity. These are inspiring solutions. I'm so inspired by this. Let's explore real AI. This reshapes art. Isabella, which application stands out?
AI art galleries, Anastasia. AI paintings are stunning, and I'm thrilled. It's like a digital museum. This is so impactful.
It's demo time. Sophia and Ethan will lead a Python demo using PyTorch to generate synthetic images with a GAN. Get ready for art magic. I'm so excited to see it. This will transform your view of AI. Let's watch Sophia and Ethan shine. This is generative AI's big moment.
Hi, wizards, it's Sophia. Let's prep for our generative AI demo. Install Python and PyTorch with pip install torch. Use the NIST dataset, available in PyTorch, for image generation. I'm so excited to create images. This is going to be epic. Let's start the art magic. Ethan, what's next?
Hey, I'm Ethan. Launch Jupyter Notebook with Jupyter Notebook to set up our coding environment. We'll generate synthetic digits with a GAN. Let's make creative magic. I'm thrilled to get started. Let's code some art. This is our art canvas.
We're using PyTorch to generate synthetic NIST digits with a GAN. I train the model and visualize. Look at those digits. This is art magic. I'm thrilled to show it. Let's create images. This is creativity's future.
We load MNIST, train a GAN with a generator and discriminator for 5 epochs, and generate realistic digits. The images show our model's creativity. I'm so thrilled to see it work. Let's advance art. This is AI in action. Let's keep coding.
Wow, Sophia and Ethan, that was magical. They loaded the MNIST dataset, trained a GAN with PyTorch, generated synthetic digits, and visualized outputs. This shows AI's creative power. I'm so impressed. Let's break it down. This is AI crafting art. Isabella, what stood out?
Monitor training, Anastasia. Stable GANs need care, and I love this approach. It's like an art spell. This boosts AI creativity.
Here's tips for generative AI. Use high-quality data, tune GAN hyperparameters, ensure ethical compliance, and test for realistic outputs. These tips make you a generative AI wizard. I'm so excited for you. Let's master these tricks. This is your art spellbook. Isabella, any tips to add?
The generated digits were incredible, Anastasia. They looked so real, and I'm thrilled by the results. This is art AI magic. This transforms creativity.
Let's recap day 27. Generative AI creates art with GANs, using PyTorch to generate synthetic images. We built a demo for Creative Magic. Your task: generate an AI image with a GAN and share results in the comments. I'm so proud of you. Visit DailyAIWizard.com for more. This is your creative victory.
What a journey, Anastasia. From GANs to images, we've unlocked art magic. I'm thrilled for everyone's progress. Let's keep building creative spells. Try the task and shine.
That's a wrap for day 27. Amazing wizards! I'm Anastasia, and I'm so grateful you joined me for Generative AI and GANs. It's been a creative journey. Subscribe and hit the bell for more. Day 28 explores AI tools and frameworks, with Sophia and Ethan revealing powerful AI tricks. I'm thrilled for what's next. Let's keep the AI fire burning. This is just the start.
Hey, I'm Sophia. This generative AI demo with Ethan was stunning, creating images that spark imagination. You're all wizards for mastering GANs, and I'm so proud of you. Day 28 dives into AI tools and frameworks, where Ethan and I will unleash practical AI sorcery tools to build any magic. Can you guess which frameworks we'll explore? Visit DailyAIWizard.com, keep generating art, and share your AI images in the comments. I'm excited for your journey. Let's make more magic. See you tomorrow.
AI-generated art is so thrilling, transforming creativity with every image, and I'm blown away by what we've learned. Day 27 was just the start, and Day 28's AI tools and frameworks will spark new spells with Sophia and Ethan leading the way. What new AI tools will we master? Stick with Daily AI Wizard to find out. Keep coding, creating art, and let's make more AI magic together. I can't wait for our next adventure. Let's level up your AI skills.
Loved coding this generative demo. PyTorch is epic. Day 28 will unlock AI tools for power. See you soon. Keep creating AI. This is just the beginning.
I'm still fascinated by generative AI's artistry. It's unreal. Day 28's AI tools will fuel more magic. Keep mastering AI with Daily AI Wizardry. Let's craft new creations.